guys. I'm gonna make something. I'm gonna make it up. Some sort. I'm gonna make some type of stuffed cheese, chicken, something, bacon. Anyway, I'll go ahead and I'm starting to chop up the chicken. We'll get the chicken going, chopped. I got the cheese. I'm gonna top this thing with ranch dressing mix. See what that tastes like. Anyway, right now I'm getting the bacon ready. I'm gonna either put it on the inside or the outside. I don't know yet. But anyway, I'll keep you posted once I get this thing to go, and we'll see how it's working. So, wish me luck. All right, we got the bacon done. Chicken's ready. Let's go ahead and take a bake pan and spray some don't stick to me juice in it. We don't want it to stick. Then we're gonna take this here chicken. Alright, I could have swore I got it. There it is. Big old piece of chicken. Man! That's what I'm saying. I'm gonna put all that. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and put the cheese and bacon and all that stuff on and get these ready to go. Once I get it done, I'll pop back on here and show you. But I'm gonna fill this thing with cheese and bacon and salt and pepper, and the top I'll put ranch dressing over the top and sprinkle some Parmesan. Get the fresh stuff. I don't have the fresh stuff. I got that crazy thing in a green jar, but get the fresh stuff, it'll be better. Anyway, I'll be back. All right, I got it in there ready to go. I'm gonna throw some pepper on here. I don't know, I like pepper. Cool, I got the pepper, cheese. I got mozzarella and Sharpe cheddar. And then the Parmesan over the top. Salt and pepper, laying over bacon over top of it. We're gonna see what these things will taste like. I hope they're good. I will let you know. I'll show them to you when I get them out of the oven. Gonna go in, I guess, for 400, 25 minutes, 30 minutes. So here we go. I don't know, guys, but that looks pretty daggone good. And whoo, does it smell good. So I'll let it sit right there until my wife gets home. Let her dig in and we'll see how she likes it. Can you smell it? Whew. Hold it. Oh, what? What do you think? All right. Good dear.